On the modern battlefield, is the traditional tank obsolete? China's latest unveiling of the 100 tanks gave a surprising answer. It is not only not obsolete, but to a completely subverted the traditional design concept of the posture, redefine the future direction of the development of land combat equipment. This first public appearance in the September the 3rd parade was jokingly called by military fans as double off the spectrum of the new main battle equipment, completely jumped out of the traditional tanks. Armor and ammunition against the thinking stereotypes become the world's first real sense of letter fire. It has become the world's first truly all-in-one land battle platform, demonstrating the forward-looking thinking of the People's Liberation Army (PLA) in the face of the future battlefield. The revolutionary design concept of the Type 100 tank is reflected in all aspects. Unlike traditional tanks that emphasize armor thickness and gun caliber, the Type 100 tank is equipped with a 105 mm caliber main gun, but its destructive capability is equivalent to that of a 120 mm tank gun, thanks to the extremely high muzzle velocity of the projectile and advanced ammunition technology. What's more, it no longer pursues the comprehensive advantages of a single platform, but integrates itself into the overall combat system, and through advanced information technology systems, it is able to collect and process battlefield information in real time, and share information with other combat units such as unmanned aerial vehicles, infantry fighting vehicles, command centers, etc. to achieve collaborative combat. This shift in design thinking is based on a profound summary of the experience of modern local wars such as the Nauka War and the Russia-Ukraine conflict. In these conflicts, the vulnerability of traditional tanks to new types of threats, such as drones and roving missiles, made Chinese researchers realize the need for a fundamental change in the design philosophy of tanks. The Type 100 tank's protection system perfectly embodies this new thinking. Instead of relying solely on increased armor thickness to improve protection, it adopts a multi-layered defense system that combines active and passive protection. The turret is equipped with multiple millimeter wave phased array radars at the corners of the turret to achieve 360-degree omnidirectional continuous monitoring, with the integration of search, tracking and jamming capabilities. At the rear of the turret, there is a 4-unit GL-6 interceptor launcher on the left and right sides of the turret, which can effectively intercept anti-tank missiles, rockets, patrol bombs and small drones and other threats. In addition, the tank is also equipped with radar and laser warning sensors, capable of real-time recognition of enemy guidance signals, and linkage of smoke grenade launchers to implement targeted jamming. This integrated protection system dramatically improves the tank's survivability in high-intensity confrontation environments, especially its defense against drone attacks. Situational awareness capability is another highlight of the Type 100 tank. The turret and hull are equipped with multiple photoelectric sensors, and the front, side rear, and rear of the tank chassis are equipped with photoelectric detection equipment, which allows the crew to have an all-around view of the tank's surroundings even though they are sitting in the vehicle. In addition to the photoelectric equipment, the hull is also equipped with multiple phased array radar and laser radar system, which can realize early warning and further enhance the tank's survivability. The driver is equipped with a new type of visualization helmet, which can display the vehicle's driving data as well as reconnaissance images in real time, greatly enhancing the driver's mastery of the vehicle's condition, as well as the battlefield situation. This highly informatized design makes the Type 100 tank a mobile information node, capable of seamlessly connecting with the entire combat system. Powertrain innovations were equally impressive, with the Type 100 employing a rare hybrid powertrain that not only delivered constant power, but also made it much quieter on the move. Under certain circumstances, the Type 100 was able to approach the enemy silently, avoiding the need to expose itself to excessive noise. Under the premise of electric propulsion, the heat source radiated by the Type 100 tank will also be greatly reduced, and will not be easily locked by the opponent's infrared detection device, further improving the survivability on the battlefield. This power design also brings better fuel economy and longer range, reducing the pressure of logistical replenishment. It is worth mentioning that the weight of the Type 100 tank is expected to be only 35 to 40 tons, which is much lower than our current 99 and other heavy tanks, making it easy for transport planes such as the Un-20 to deploy rapidly, significantly improving strategic mobility. The internal layout of the Type 100 tank has also been revolutionized. It adopts an unmanned turret design. The crew is reduced to 2 people, all in the front cockpit through the panoramic screen, and handle to control the weapon. The fire control system supports remote control, allowing the crew to precisely control the turret weapon from the safety of the cockpit. The system has an automated firing function, which can automatically adjust the weapon firing parameters according to the target information, improving the firing accuracy and reaction speed. This design not only optimizes the spatial layout of the vehicle, but also enhances the automated combat capability, representing the development direction of future tank design. Together with the 100 tanks, the 100 support vehicle was also unveiled, both using the same chassis, forming a complete combat system. 100 support vehicle is equipped with an unmanned operator, which can operate unmanned reconnaissance vehicles and unmanned aircraft, which can greatly enhance the reconnaissance capability and accurately combat fire targets. Support combat vehicle carrying the rear of the vehicle rotor UAV can go out reconnaissance detection, greatly strengthen the tanks and armored vehicles' situational awareness capabilities, so that the combatants are able to advance knowledge of the enemy's ambush, to grasp the initiative on the battlefield. This systematic design thinking makes the 100 series no longer just a single weapon platform, but a complete combat system. The emergence of the 100 tanks, marking China's main battle tanks formally from the 99 era into the 100 era, which is not only the number of iteration, but also a new type of people's land forces towards the development of intelligent information technology, unmanned direction of the embodiment of the continuous progress. This is not only a change of numbers, but also a reflection of the new people's army's continuous progress towards the development of intelligence, informationization and unmanned. It shows the broad vision and strategic vision of Chinese researchers and the PLA, which has created a new generation of land warfare architecture centered on the letter and fire integration, by stepping out of the traditional design tradition of tanks with balanced firepower, mobility and protection. In the global countries are still pushing the heavy main battle tanks, trying to armor and ammunition against the old road to the black. The emergence of the 100 tanks is likely to international land combat equipment development trend led to a new direction and height. Throughout the history of global tank development, the appearance of the 100 type tank has a milestone significance. It is not only a tank, but also a complete set of combat system integrating detection, fighting and defense, representing the latest achievements of Chinese land equipment development. Its design concepts and technology applications fully reflect China's booming national strength and rapid changes in scientific research in recent years. On the battlefield in the future, the systematic combat capability formed by Type 100 tanks and 100 supporting combat vehicles will become a solid force for defending the country's sovereignty and territorial integrity by virtue of its advanced technology and powerful performance. Let's wait and see whether the Chinese program can lead the new trend of land combat equipment development.